Okay, Bob. Now let's have a closer look at the DOC mode, Digital Output Control. When you talk to customers presenting the SpectroPad, the DOC is the biggest asset of Barbieri, of the Barbieri SpectroPad. No other company has something similar built into a device. There are other process control solutions, of course, but they are software based. So that means, again, you need a computer. And here you don't. All the calculations, everything is in the SpectroPad. Again, if someone travels, someone goes around with the device, no computer, always wireless, all into the device. The DOC mode helps to check if a production, if the printer is still printing stable, still printing as the same condition as he was when the print job started, and overall it helps to give like a yes or no, a pass or fail for customers. So customer always is sure if he prints correct or not correct. Again, huge advantage of the DOC. To use DOC, just open the DOC mode. Again, you select the job. You know, on the gateway software you can create as much jobs as you want. You can set your tolerances there. You can set your reference there. You can do a lot of things in the gateway software. For the presentations, I think it's enough to explain to customers that there is a job already preset in the device, and then you just need the SpectroPad and start the job. When you first start the job, there is no reference in the SpectroPad, of course. So that means now we measure and use our first measurement as our reference file for the future. The reference means that you can explain to customer that once he set up the printer, everything is correct, customer is happy, the operator is happy, they say, okay, now my printer is fine. Then you would print out our DOC strip, select the job, and start the measurement and save this measurement as your reference. On the screen there is everything explained, what you need to do, which line to measure. To measure, you position the black arrow in front of this first black line, and then you see the laser, you check if you go straight, and then you just move the head. The slower you go, the more measurement the device makes, means it would be even more accurate, but going in a normal speed, it's already more than enough. After finishing, the device asks you if you want to save. Of course we want, so save as reference. Now for every future measurement, the device compares against this reference. Now you have the possibility to use this reference, or what can be sometimes very useful if customers has more facilities and they want to check if printer A of the first facility prints the same as printer B in the second facility. You could also create a DOC job by using this reference file, so you don't have to measure the reference, but you load in a certain reference. And then if the same result comes out, then you know both printers, even though they are in different facilities, print according to the same standards. Now, we set up the printer, everything is fine. After a few hours or a few days, we want to check if we still print the same. All we need to do is print the same control strip, choose the same job, and do the same measurement. So very quick and easy. Again, even operators with no knowledge how to use measurement devices, what is delta E or whatsoever, they instantly know if the printer still prints the same or not. After finishing these 4 lines, the device gives you a pass-fail report. In that case, these 2 were different. Device says not passed, so the operator knows, okay, I need to stop printing, otherwise I produce waste and company loses money. The device helps to troubleshoot you through possible issues, the average, primary, secondary. So that means maybe someone changed the ink, someone changed the media, something went wrong with the linearization, or the gamut is wrong. So the device helps you to troubleshoot you through the printing process. Anyway, most important message, it says stop printing because you're not within your standards, within your tolerances anymore. And this is DOC, again, the biggest asset of the SpectroPad. I did not use a computer. I have everything on the SpectroPad and I instantly have a feedback how good or how my quality of the printer is. And that's the DOC. And that was the presentation of all these features of the SpectroPad.